Okay, so here we have my lighting unit from my F650 and the CR01. I've still got a bit of debugging and things to do, but I've been preoccupied with other things. But so just to show in general what it does. What we got there is we have two 5mm half watt LEDs and a 3mm orange. One set will go through several different PWM cycles for daytime running lights, nighttime lights, low beams and high beams, which will also come on with the other set of 5mm lights there. And up there I have a light dependent resistor, that's my sensor, and on the rear we have 3mm white and 5mm red. The reds are programmed to double up in function to act as the brake lights and the rear signal lights, and also the dimmed rear driving lights when you're driving around at night. It worked out pretty good. But yeah, headlights themselves are my automatic headlights. So what we'll do for now, using the 4C there on it, get it powered on, and there we go. So right now, that is one of the dimmed settings on the front lights. Looks a lot brighter than it is. But if I cover the light sensor, make it think it's gone dark, then all the orange marker lights on the side when they're not being used for signals will come on. And as you see there, we have the rear brake lights on because I'm not touching the throttle. But if I just turn, bear with me, one-handed is really awkward. So if we go left turn, and go back round to the front. And then if I cover the light sensor, and that's still only one set of lights, but that's the 5mm on their full brightness. So they'll stand like that for a while now. There's a set delay of about 20-30 seconds for the light sensor, just to verify that it is actually going back into daylight rather than in out of light and dark when you're driving around at night. But whilst those are on, and you notice they go dim now on the drive-in, brake, dim, and it's gone back to daytime lights only mode, which is just driving lamps and rear brake lights. And if I turn this main light off, the controller's there, I'm not touching anything, it's all being done on its own with my auto lights, and here we go. But yeah, works pretty good. See the rear signal going there in the front, even though it's blinded by the LED. But I've still got a bit of debugging and things to do, but haven't had much time for this lately due to other things. But yeah, it's working pretty well. It's a work in progress, and it'll get there one day.